Shandong China Coal Group. The company produces various types of mini excavator, road roller, road loader, spider crane. Among them, the company has continuously launched various utility models in the field of small excavators. With its excellent quality, superior performance, and complete service, it has been loved by users around the world and won unanimous praise and reputation. In the field of mini excavators, the company continues to overcome difficulties, overcome various technical problems, and launch various new types of excavation equipment. It has successfully obtained a number of invention patents and utility model patents, and has ISO, CE, and other product certifications. The products are exported to more than 1 countries and regions in Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, etc. to help users achieve multiple uses in one machine, greatly reduce labor input, greatly improve work efficiency, and achieve higher profits. Quality first, service first. Shandong China Coal Group Ltd and is committed to allowing more users to enjoy better products and services.